Tanat ka koi ka kia lem ka tanat jangka veterinary kila bo ya ka Thong banla banrat Dyngkhong no ya ka Jingpang Rabbies Hapoh Snem arja laipo ha ka ba gala panru ya ka jingkershan ki paiba nong song banla ban penulong ya ka ni ka Thong ya ka ni la pen pau do Dr. F nong Dhar medical officer ka tanat veterinary Riboy district baru Dr. Benjamin CH Mumin medical officer ka tanat district medical and health officer Riboy district ha kejingkren a jing pensyai paiba lingba ke awareness program ke bla long shibenta na kejing rakhe ya ke World Rabbies week ha ke St Paul Higher Secondary School nongpo kini ki medical officer ke la pensyai ba Jingpang Rabbies ke de Jingpang ke bashir khei bat ke bala ban shim wat de jing em ki briuru ki bangat ni bet ya ke ni Jingpang hadin ke jing shadat ha kimrat ni ke jingri jingdop ha ki yang kisam jengki kebakongsan kalong bagi pajba kibada ni jingri halayeng kedai belin eye injection ni vaccination jala jingri kenthop ya kikso bat kibai de banyada nak ni Jingpang.
Disease coming from animals, as we all know, we need to protect ourselves because it is a disease that will bring us death to our lives, to end our lives as well. So they will introduce themselves and they will make a pledge that every one of us as human beings, we are co-friendly with nature. Not only human beings to human beings, but even to animals, plants and other ecosystem. So,
which means the fear of light, hydrophobia, which means the fear of water, and then the patient becomes aggressive, will become confused, there will be neck rigidity, there will be 2 weeks to 12 weeks. Usually, the closer it is to your head, the faster the symptom appears. If it is bitten on the leg, it might appear later on when the bite is on the hand. So always take care. Even if the animal or the dog, cats, whatever it may be, even if they lick your mouth, it exposes your membranes to their saliva, which may be infected with this rabies virus. So always I cannot stress this enough. If any open wound leak, even just leak on the mouth or in the eyes, please seek medical attention. And we all know it's a very deadly disease, so everyone be careful. Okay, thank you.
So I can hand over the mic to them and they will give an awareness shortly and they will.
Rabies is a viral disease which can be transmitted from animal to animal or animal to human. Usually occurs in mammals, warm-blooded animals. From animals to human, it occurs in the form of bites or licks in open wounds or mucous membranes such as eyes or the mouth. And then we have to take care every time we suspect any bite or lick on the wound by any animal at all. We should always wash the wound first 15 minutes with soap, water or any other detergent or antiseptic solution that you have. Like Dettol, will all be having Dettol back home, right? So we can just run open water and then after that you have to take this.
Rabbies is a viral infected disease, or what I can say is a zoonotic disease, which can infect from dog to human through bites, maybe or through licking. Maybe if you have some bite in your body part, or maybe in the leg or in the hand region, then if you try to give your hand licking by any rabid dogs or any cat infected with rabies, then you might get the rabies. So what can you do with this? So I'll give some do and don'ts which you can do at home, or maybe your own dogs, or maybe your own pet. First and foremost, whenever you have a pet, always try to pet them in a good manner. Don't just throw, don't just kick. Also, when you have a dog or a cat, never try to play with them when they are eating, or when they are sleeping, or when they are with their babies. So if you try to play with them, then they will get that anger and they try to bite you. We don't know that they have rabies or not, but you have to look if your pets have rabies or not. You have to see them. You have to take them to this veterinary clinic. You have to monitor them for at least 10 days, because all over India, every 2 seconds is being human being is being bitten by a rabbit dog. And India alone, people die from rabies. 20,000 every year die from rabies. So the only prevention which I can say at this onset is through vaccination. So try to vaccinate your pets, try to vaccinate your dogs and cats. We are giving free vaccines in a veterinary dispensary. You can come in any part of the dispensary here. We have so many dispensaries in the district, but you can vaccinate your dog right from 3 months onwards. So after 1 month, you can get the booster dose, and then annually you can vaccinate your dog. These are the only prevention which we can eradicate this rabies. Because if your dog or if your cat gets bitten by a rabbit dog, that also can be cured. So what can you do with that? You can give the post-exposure prophylaxis, what we call. So after bitten by any of this rabbit dog, you can come and get the vaccination done on the 0 day, the 3 day, the 7, the 14, the 28, and the 19 day. With this year also, we have the theme. And this theme for this year 2024, it is breaking rabies boundaries. So with the theme itself, I think you understand that breaking rabies boundaries means we need to unite all the students and everyone present here, along with the stakeholders, the Rambashlam, so many organizations present in our state. We can work together to eliminate this rabies. So, why this rabies is so important? Because it is a zoonotic disease which can infect from animals to human being or from human being to human being. So this year also, like what I said, the theme is breaking rabies boundaries. So if we work together, we vaccinate our pets, we vaccinate the stray dogs, we vaccinate all animals, especially the warm-blooded animals, we can eradicate this rabies